Are you craving some Japanese food? Why not try and make a delicious vegan Japanese katsu curry by following the simple steps in this tutorial. To make a vegan Japanese katsu curry, you need the following ingredients: Thai jasmine rice or Japanese sticky rice, mild curry powder, golden syrup, crushed chili flakes, optional, 1 small sweet potato, 1 small white potato, 3 spring onions, 150 milliliters of water, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Step 1. Measure out 100 grams of self-raising flour. Add 150 milliliters of water to the flour and mix thoroughly to create a batter. Cut 3 sections of sweet potato and 5 sections of white potato. Each section of potato should be approximately 1 centimeter thick. Try to keep all the potato sections the same width for even cooking. Step 2. Add some sunflower oil to a deep frying pan. Heat up the oil and drip in a little batter to test if the oil is hot enough. Add the sweet potato and white potato to the batter and then place carefully into the deep frying pan. Allow the potatoes to cook for 5 minutes and then turn the potatoes over in the frying pan and cook until both sides are golden brown. Start cooking the rice by following the instructions. Before continuing this video, it would be great if you could support my channel by hitting that like button, subscribing to my channel for more awesome videos, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Step 3. While the potatoes are cooking, grab a small frying pan and turn on the gas to medium heat to start making the curry sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder, and 3 tablespoons of golden syrup to the small frying pan. Constantly stir the mixture in the small frying pan and gradually add the 150 milliliters of water while stirring. The sauce will start to combine and thicken up. Add a little extra water and stir the sauce if it is too thick. Add a few optional chili flakes if you like your food a little hot and spicy like me. Finally, add a splash of light soy sauce and stir. Step 4. Take the cooked potatoes out of the frying pan and place them on a paper towel to soak up the excess oil. Add the rice, potatoes, and curry sauce to a plate and garnish with the spring onions. Now put on some nice chill-out music, relax, and enjoy your homemade vegan Japanese katsu curry. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.